Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CompTIA A Plus Core 1. First, thoroughly review the official CompTIA A Plus Core 1 exam objectives. This document is your roadmap, detailing every topic you need to master. Next, select a high-quality primary study resource, such as a comprehensive textbook or a reputable video course. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 2 hours of dedicated study time each day to build a strong foundation. To truly absorb the material, engage in active learning. Don't just read. Take detailed notes and create flashcards for important concepts and acronyms. Hands-on experience is crucial for a plus, so actively participate in labs and simulations to solidify your understanding of hardware and software. After completing each module, test your knowledge with practice questions to identify areas needing more attention. Consistent review is essential for retention. Set aside time each week to revisit all the material you've covered, reinforcing your memory. As you get closer to your exam date, take full-length practice exams to simulate the real testing experience and manage your time effectively. Pay close attention to your scores, dedicating extra study time to any topics where you consistently score below 75%. In the final days, prioritize rest and mental clarity. Ensure you get adequate sleep the night before your exam to be sharp and focused. On exam day, arrive at the testing center early to avoid any last-minute rush or stress. During the test, read each question thoroughly, sometimes twice, to fully understand what's being asked before selecting your answer. You've prepared well, so trust your knowledge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.